Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Try reducing the sauce down even further so more of the liquid cooks off and the mixture thickens. If that doesn't work, add a thickener like gelatin, pectin or a cornstarch slurry, cornstarch whisked into juice or water. Let the sauce cool before refrigerating to completely set.
Take our lead.
You need only 3 ingredients for a basic cranberry sauce: cranberries, sugar, and water. Cranberries are naturally rich in pectin, so they gel easily under the right conditions. The sauce will thicken as it cools.
Let's help you make your mark.
Empty a 12-ounce bag of fresh or frozen cranberries into a saucepan and transfer 1/2 cup to a small bowl. Add 1 cup sugar, 1 strip orange or lemon zest and 2 tablespoons water to the pan and cook over low heat, stirring occasionally, until the sugar dissolves and the cranberries are soft, about 10 minutes.
Take our lead.
Sprinkle with a pinch of salt, in small amounts. It intensifies sweetness. If you don't have maple syrup or think its distinct taste may overpower your cranberry sauce, you can also try swapping that out for more neutral agave syrup or brown rice syrup.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Properly stored, homemade cranberry sauce will keep in the refrigerator for 10 to 14 days. If you'd like to keep it for longer than that, pour the sauce into covered airtight containers or freezer-safe bags and freeze. Additionally, fresh whole cranberries can be frozen in their original bag for a year.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cranberries are insanely healthy. They're low-calorie, high-fiber, high in vitamin C and cancer-fighting antioxidants. You can eat them raw, pulse them into a relish, or blend up into a super nutritious smoothie. Fresh cranberries are good for so much more than sauce. Just scroll down and see.
Take our lead.
Cranberry sauce can be served either as a gooey liquid or as a solid jelly. The jellied version is solid enough to retain the shape of the container in which it's placed, whereas the sauce version is much more fluid. The difference between the fluid sauce and the jelly versions comes down to pectin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.